Hey, my name's Moris. I'm actually here in the process of building a brand new company. Right now, I'm going to basically turn that into another multi-million-dollar business by the end of this year. What I think is happening right now is we are slowly starting to lose our freedoms, our independence, and that's a big problem. If we pay attention to how much the world has actually changed in the past year, it's crazy. I believe things will only be getting harder, and that is a problem. And the only way to actually step up a level. We're also at a point where anyone can be a millionaire. It's never been easier. I've done it before. I've built companies that made it to the stock market. I've had companies that sold products all over America and international throughout the world. And I'm actually doing it all over again. And I'm taking you along for the ride. Not me. So with this new channel, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to basically show you how you can get started.
You can get started. You can accomplish something. And you can succeed.
You basically see it day to day on what we do, how we do it, the progress, the time, the energy. I'm here. I'll share with you what I'm doing in my day-to-day life. If you follow along, you'll learn all the insider tips. Share all my resources, contacts, research I've done, research that I've actually researched. That was research, which is kind of basically sounds crazy, but it's better to do it slow and steady. It doesn't have to be slow by like numbers. I mean like slow and steady. Don't jump into anything that you haven't studied, that you haven't dissected. Don't just jump at any idea. Dissect it. If you don't know it, learn it. If you can't learn it, don't do it. You don't have to have millions to actually make millions. Tell you a story about a person.
No! What are you crazy?
And don't worry, most of the people I recommend are budget-friendly. It's lawyers, title companies, trademark attorneys. These are people that actually want to help you to succeed, because by you succeeding, they're succeeding. By you making money, they're making money. It's time to get up and make those big moves, because otherwise, we're all going to be sitting ducks. So subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. My face is showing myself.
I see you're enjoying this.